In this video, I will go over how to get a Chase business line of credit. So to obtain a Chase business line of credit, you will need to follow these steps. First, evaluate your business finances. So before applying for a business line of credit, make sure your business is in good financial standing. Chase will review your business's credit history, revenue, and cash flow when evaluating your application. Then you must gather the necessary documents. You will need to provide documents such as business tax returns, bank statements, financial statements, and a business plan when applying for a business line of credit. Third, you need to apply for the Chase business line of credit. So you can apply for a Chase business line of credit online, over the phone, or in person at a Chase branch. Make sure to provide all the necessary information and documents to expedite the application process. Now you will need to wait for approval, so after you submit your application, Chase will review your financials and credit history to determine if you qualify for a business line of credit, and approval typically takes a few days to a few weeks. And lastly, start using your business line of credit. So once approved, you can start using your business line of credit to fund your business expenses. Make sure to make timely payments to maintain a good credit history and potentially increase your credit limit in the future. Also remember to carefully review the terms and conditions of the business line of credit before agreeing to the terms to ensure that it fits your business's financial needs. So now you know how to get a Chase business line of credit.